Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be reviewing the ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro. It is the latest flagship gaming smartphone from ASUS Republic of Gamers, engineered to provide an unparalleled mobile gaming experience with cutting-edge hardware, advanced cooling solutions, and a host of gaming-specific features. The ROG Phone 8 Pro is designed for serious gamers. And before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell button. Okay, now let's talk about its design and its build quality. The ROG Phone 8 Pro showcases a bold design with RGB lighting and customizable gaming triggers. The phone features a robust metal and glass construction, ensuring durability with a premium feel. Designed for extended gaming sessions, it offers a comfortable grip with steadily placed buttons and triggers. Okay, now let's talk about its display. It features a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 2448 by 1080 pixels, offering a vibrant colors and deep blacks. The high refresh rate provides smooth visuals and responsiveness, essential for competitive gaming. And it supports HDR10+, ensuring enhanced viewing experience with supported content. Okay, now let's talk about its performance, the main feature of this phone. So, it is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. The ROG Phone 8 Pro delivers exceptional performance for gaming and multitasking. The integrated Adreno 740 GPU handles graphically intensive games with ease. The phone is available with up to 18GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage, providing fast load times and ample storage. Now let's talk about the second most important feature of this phone. It is the cooling system. This phone features an advanced cooling system with a vapor chamber and graphite cooling pads to prevent overheating during intense gaming. The optional Aero Active Cooler accessory provides additional cooling and includes extra buttons for enhanced gameplay control. Now let's talk about battery life. You need a powerful battery to power your performance and to play games for a while. So the ROG Phone 8 Pro is equipped with a massive 6000 mAh battery, offering extended gaming sessions without frequent charges. It also supports 65-watt fast charging, allowing for quick recharges between gaming sessions. Now let's talk about connectivity and its ports. This phone, it includes a USB port, 3.5mm headphone jack that hasn't been seen a while, and support for Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.3. And the ROG Phone 8 also supports 5G connectivity for fast internet speeds and low latency. Okay, now let's talk about its audio. The front-facing stereo speakers deliver immense audio, enhanced by direct HD sound technology. It features quad microphones with noise cancellation to ensure clear in-game communication and streaming. Well, now let's talk about the operating system, or the software and its features. Running on ROG UI based on Android 13, it offers a gaming-centric interface with customizable themes and gaming profiles. The Game Genie provides in-game enhancements such as performance boost, real-time info, and the ability to block notification. and the ultrasonic sensors on the edges act as customizable buttons for gaming. Well, now let's talk about its camera. It has a triple camera setup. The phone includes a versatile triple camera setup with a 64 megapixel primary sensor, a 30 megapixel ultra wide sensor, and a 5 megapixel macro sensor. The 35 megapixel front sensor offers good enough selfies for a gaming phone or a gaming focused phone, and it's ideal for selfies and streaming as well, providing clear and detailed images. Well, in conclusion, the ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro is a gaming powerhouse and gaming focused, excelling in performance, design, and its features. Built for gamers who demand the best, and it offers advanced cooling, a high resolution red display, and extensive gaming specific features. So, whether you are a competitive gaming or a gaming enthusiast, the ROG Phone 8 Pro provides a superior mobile gaming experience. And that's the end of this video, so I hope you enjoy and watch till the end. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell button. So see you next time, and bye.